Experience is what you get when you didn't get what you wanted. That's an expression I learned when I took a sabbatical at Electronic Arts, the video game maker. It just stuck with me, and I've ended up repeating it again and again to students. It's a phrase worth considering at every brick wall we encounter and at every disappointment. It's also a reminder that failure is not just acceptable, it's often essential. When I taught the Building Virtual Worlds course, I encouraged students to attempt hard things and to not worry about failing. I just wanted to reward that way of thinking. So at the end of each semester, I'd present one team of students with a stuffed animal, a penguin. It was called the First Penguin Award and went to the team that took the biggest gamble in trying new ideas or new technology while failing to achieve their stated goals. In essence, it was an award for glorious failure, and it celebrated out of the box thinking and using imagination in a daring way.